If you ever need to update the typography across an entire Canva design, the Change All option is the fastest way to do it. This feature lets you replace every instance of one font with another in just a couple of clicks, which is ideal when you're refreshing a template, aligning a design with your brand kit, or cleaning up inconsistent text choices. To use this feature, start by selecting a text box that uses the font you want to change. Once it's selected, open your font menu and choose the new font you'd like to switch to. When you do, look toward the bottom of the font dropdown where you should see an option to change all. Clicking this tells Canva to replace every instance of that original font throughout your design with the new font you've selected. But before you move on, take a moment to carefully review your pages. The Change All action is powerful, but it's literal. It updates all occurrences of the chosen font, even in text you may not have had in mind. For example, if your subheadings and body text both started with the same font, you might unintentionally update more than you planned. A quick scan of your design ensures everything still looks balanced and matches your intended hierarchy. Used thoughtfully, this feature is an excellent time saver. It helps you maintain consistency, refresh designs more efficiently, and avoids the tedious task of adjusting each text box individually. If you regularly work with templates or create variations of your designs, it's a tool well worth getting comfortable with. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.